It does not reside in memory. Now, what that means is everybody waits who's operating on that file until that force is completed. Now, if you're journaled and you don't have commitment control, then each journal entry is forced to external storage, and quite frankly, this is very slow. And if you have a batch environment and no one else using the files that the batch job is using, that is our worst case scenario. If you are using commitment control, journal entries are forced to external storage at commit time. And that gives us an opportunity to bundle those changes in a transaction and write them out to disk once at commit time instead of for every single record change. And we do have a mechanism in place to make sure that if we are caching, if you will, these journal entries under a transaction, that the related database or other object changes remain in main store until after the journal entries go to disk. Now, I mentioned data definition language, or DDL, on the previous slide. This is kind of a special case. Database recovery objects are used to ensure the database integrity. So if you're doing an alter table, we'll create a recovery object in queue recovery that is basically what the object was before you started making the change. There may be an entry in the journal that indicates that the change is occurring.